Hot Wheels.
Oh, okay.
That was kind of cool too.
Yeah.
It's a bicycle.
This is a 1984 Econoline E150. It's got, now don't think, but it's got over 1,700,000 plus miles on it. I've been to virtually every event that you can think of around the country. All the lighting, all the interior, I did. I got approximately 4.5 miles of wiring in this van. Front, back, top, bottom, inside, everything. It's totally covered. The sound system in the back is, I did all the cutting out and fitting and everything, and one of my other members, he helped me get everything connected and working properly. And it's a well-balanced machine. I don't overdo it, but I do like to do it, you know? Well, my son is 48 years old. His first event, he was 2 weeks old. Very interesting story, I'll tell you. The other van I had a crib I built right behind the driver's seat. First time I showed that van, he was sleeping in the crib. And I figured I'd show why he's sleeping. 2 ladies walked by. One lady said, "Oh, look at the crib, there's a doll in there." The other woman said, she sniffed and said, "That ain't no doll." So right away he started dissing me, my boy. To me, Benny literally saved my life. I can go anywhere in the United States, Canada, even overseas, and there's always somebody there that will take you and help you and do whatever they can for you. That's what Benny's about. The friendship, the love we all have for one another. And of course, our bands, which is #1. That's the band. This is my 84, but at home, I'm starting to work on a 1961 Econoline. The very first year, Ford made a band. And I think it's one of the first 100 off the line too. Because, well, the tire rack comes off the bumper, comes up around, and the tire mumps right to the front of the hood. You don't see very many of those. That's gonna be my next girl. She'll be the queen, and maybe the king here will be pulling her. That's what I like. Speaking of babies, my grandson, this is daughter.
I'm Justin Gunther from Twin City Vans. I've been vanning for 12 years. In this truck, in my 20s, I had some VWs, and then I got hooked on the American because the VWs were nothing but problems. So, yeah, so I got this Dodge like 12 years ago, and I didn't even know about this vanning culture. I got into it. I went to one event, and I met a bunch of people and shit, and from that point on, it's been on, man. So this is a 1979 Dodge B200 full size. The 360 and the tranny I'm not so sure about from the guy I got it from, but it's been flawless since I got it. So
yeah,
it pulls like a bull. Yeah. And yeah, I did all this stuff. I got lights behind my speakers, you know, and all this underlighting. I tried to hide all the wires, and yeah, it took me all like end of last fall to kind of get it all built out. And I had I designed it all and I ran it through. I have a big laser cutter that can cut like 1/4-inch wood. So I built these walls, and I found these vintage grates from California, and I kind of built the walls and everything around that, going for like a Moroccan smoking room kind of wasteoid experience, you know?
Yeah.
So
with real plants. It's great.
Yeah, real plants. And yeah, it just has a whole energy, you know?
Yeah, it's great. I love it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thank you for your time.
Name is Brandon. I drive Heidi. She's my 1988 GMC Bandera, powered by a 6.2 diesel. She's a hoot. I love her so much. She's my best friend. I had a like a 73 Chinook for a little while, but it didn't didn't quite move me. But I got Heidi probably like 8 years back. I was buying and selling motorcycles, and my pickup took a dump, and I needed something that could move bikes, and so I found a big cargo van that could move bikes around, and I started like reading old trucking mags and seeing, you know, vans with shag and bubble windows, and I was like, I want a weird van, you know? And so yeah, then I started, you know, attending van nationals and meeting weird van people and putting together my custom van, and it's kind of taken me away from there, you know. Ended up starting a van accessories company, got a little pile of vans that I take care of at home, and you know, everyone's kind of got its place. But yeah, Heidi's the special one. She really takes care of me. All right, so this is Heidi. She's my 6.2 powered GMC Bandera, and she's got lots of tricks up her sleeves. I don't even know where to start, but got her as a blank cargo van, and I just really liked her because standing room, you know, could walk around inside, and you know, just started tricking her out. Hardwood floors, shag walls, you know, got, you know, seats spin around. Yeah, I don't know what you can see. We might do this again in the daylight, but yeah, the bed, this couch spins, turns into a full-size mattress. We got a wood stove back there. running water, 100 amp hour battery. We got a 12 volt fridge freezer there. You know, bubble windows. That window's out of a Chris Craft boat, you know, something to give us a vent.
That's awesome.
And then I built this thing I call the Rage Cage, just a full cage support for the roof rack so that we can carry big weight up there, you know, when we're traveling. Yeah, she's got lots of little tricks, you know. We'll find little things everywhere, but yeah, she does it all. Yep, yeah, Allison made me these door cards. She's, you know, she does rug tufting, so she made me custom door cards. She made the custom fuzzy dice too. She made the little bubble blocks for the bubble windows to keep us, you know, the light out when we're sleeping.
Beautiful Saturday morning, going for a cruise around the lake in the Demeter with the van club. Got 2 other vans and myself.
It got pretty late. I'm like, all right, I had enough. I'm going to be the first person pulls out of here.
It got pretty late. I can finally shut the handlebar down at 3.
Well, right now they're all trying to get ready for this big cruise. Otherwise, there's.
right there. When it goes